Section 6, Part 2, Deploying Applications with Elastic Beanstalk. Container instances are EC2 instances that run multi-container Docker in an Elastic Beanstalk environment. Container instances require a configuration file named dockerrun.aws.json. This file is specific to Elastic Beanstalk. It can be used alone or combined with source code and content in a source bundle to create an environment on a Docker platform. The dockerrun.aws.json file includes three sections. First is the AWS EB Docker Run version. This specifies the version number as the value 2 for multi-container Docker environments. Next is the volumes section. This creates volumes from folders in the EC2 container instance or from your source bundle, which is deployed to /var/app/current. Mount these volumes to paths within your Docker containers by using mount points in the container definition. The last section is container definitions, which is an array of container definitions. The container definitions and volume sections of dockerrun.aws.json use the same formatting as the corresponding sections of an Amazon ECS task definition file. This example uses an instance with two containers. The snippet on the left illustrates the syntax for the AWS EB Docker Run version and volume sections. The snippet on the right shows the continuation of the file with the container definition section. Only the first definition is shown in the snippet. Elastic Beanstalk provides several deployment policies to process deployments, all at once, rolling with additional batch, immutable, and traffic splitting. The service also includes options you can use to configure batch size and health check behavior during deployments. Choose the method that makes the most sense for your use case. Consider how fast you can make updates compared to how much tolerance users have for issues with a new version and downtime during updates. All-at-once deployments are the fastest, but require at least some downtime. Immutable deployments are the safest, but require a longer deployment time. With traffic splitting, you can test a small amount of traffic to the new version while still sending most traffic to the existing version. Then, you can automatically shift all traffic to the new version after a period if health checks are successful. By default, your environment uses all-at-once deployments. If you created the environment with the CLI and it's a scalable environment, meaning you didn't specify the -- single option, it uses rolling deployments. Elastic Beanstalk defines a larger number of configuration options that you can use to configure your environment's behavior and the resources it contains. Configuration options are organized into namespaces. You can use the configuration options in the AWS Elastic Beanstalk command namespace to configure your deployments. If you choose the traffic splitting policy, additional options are available in the AWS Elastic Beanstalk traffic splitting namespace. You can set these deployment options by using configuration files. You can use traffic splitting deployments to perform canary testing. You direct some incoming client traffic to your new application version to verify the application's health. As soon as the application's health is verified, you can commit to the new version and direct all traffic to it. During a traffic splitting deployment, Elastic Beanstalk creates a new set of instances in a separate, temporary autoscaling group. Elastic Beanstalk instructs the load balancer to direct a certain percentage of your environment's incoming traffic, new version %, to the new instances. The decision is based on the configuration values in the AWS Elastic Beanstalk traffic splitting namespace of your configuration file. Then, for the configured amount of time, evaluation time, Elastic Beanstalk tracks the health of the new set of instances. If all is well, Elastic Beanstalk shifts remaining traffic to the new instances and attaches them to the environment's original autoscaling group. They replace the old instances. Then Elastic Beanstalk cleans up by terminating the old instances and removing the temporary autoscaling group. Blue-green deployments are similar to immutable deployments because you create an entirely new environment and then move your application to that environment. With a blue-green deployment, you deploy the new version to a separate environment. You then swap CNAMEs of the two environments to redirect traffic to the new version instantly. Elastic Beanstalk gives you the option to clone an environment. Then you can deploy your updates and test the new version in the clone. After completing all verification and testing, use the swap URL option in the original environment, blue, to redirect all traffic to your newly deployed version, green. Blue-green deployment is required when you want to update an environment to an incompatible platform version. Here are the key takeaways for this section of the module. You can use Elastic Beanstalk to manage all of the resources that run your application as an environment. You can quickly launch a Docker multi-container environment with Elastic Beanstalk without worrying about Amazon ECS configuration details. And deployment options include traffic splitting and blue-green to support testing new versions. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.